Smooth sumac, Rus glabra, is a deciduous shrub native to North America. It is known for its attractive foliage and vibrant red fruit clusters. Here are some tips on how to grow and care for smooth sumac. Planting. Choose a suitable location. Smooth sumac prefers full sun to partial shade. Ensure the chosen spot has well-draining soil. Dig a hole that is slightly wider and deeper than the plant's root ball. Planting depth. Place the smooth sumac in the hole, making sure the top of the root ball is level with or slightly above the soil surface. Backfill and water. Fill the hole with soil, ferment gently, and water thoroughly to settle the soil around the roots. Watering. Watering needs. Smooth sumac is relatively drought-tolerant once established. However, regular watering during the first year is essential to help the plant establish a strong root system. Deep watering. Water deeply, providing enough moisture to penetrate the root zone. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry. Pruning. Prune in late winter or early spring. Remove any dead, damaged, or crossing branches to maintain a healthy and open growth habit. Renewal pruning. Smooth sumac benefits from periodic renewal pruning. Every few years, cut back 1/3 of the oldest stems to the ground to encourage new growth and maintain a more compact shape. Wear protective gloves. Smooth sumac sap can cause skin irritation in some individuals. It's recommended to wear gloves when pruning. Fertilization. Minimal fertilizer needs. Smooth sumac typically doesn't require heavy fertilization. In most cases, the plant can thrive in average garden soil without additional fertilizers. Organic compost. If desired, you can apply a layer of organic compost around the base of the plant in early spring to provide a slow-release source of nutrients. Propagation. Seeds. Smooth sumac can be propagated from seeds. Collect ripe fruit clusters in late summer or early fall, remove the seeds, and sow them in a seed tray or directly in the ground in the fall. Cuttings. Hardwood cuttings taken in late fall or early winter can also be used for propagation. Treat the cuttings with rooting hormone and plant them in a well-draining medium. By following these guidelines, you should be able to grow and care for smooth sumac successfully. Enjoy the beauty of this native shrub in your garden.